Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today for Tasty Finds with
TankManJoe,
we are going to sample Trader Joe's corn, pea, bean, and quinoa crisp.
Oh, those sound nasty. What the heck?
It does sound like a lot going on here.
Why did you pick these up?
We just got back from Trader Joe's and I said, dude, we have to try these to see what they're all about. How much these are cost? How much do these cost?
I think they cost like $2.49.
Not that much, but I don't know. I'll put the price down in the description just in case. But anyway, these are 120 calories. And for 24 of these little, they look like rice cakes, those like little rice cakes you like.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's see the ingredients. We have yellow corn, okay, sunflower oil, yellow split peas, green split peas. Oh, I just learned something. There are actual yellow split peas. I'm used to green split peas.
I've never heard of those.
All right. Anyway, black bean grits, white quinoa, salt, pink salt. Oh, so I guess they're doubling up on the salt. Salt and pink
I'm
salt.
not eating these. These look nasty.
Black pepper. Black pepper. I don't know.
I might as well just throw these out the window already.
Already, this is not ranking very highly just by reading the ingredients. I mean, I saw this and I said, this is new. Let's try something a little bit different. Let's see. In what could be called a stroke of leguminous. Okay. You see that? All right. Anyway, we've developed Trader Joe's corn, pea, bean, and quinoa crisp. These are hexagonal corn-based puffs, accented with yellow and green split peas, black beans, and white quinoa. They're spiked with a bit of salt. It seems like more than a bit because there's two types of salt in here. Spiked with a bit of salt and pepper, making them delicious straight from the bag and delightful in dips and salsas. Okay, let's peel off this Band-Aid and see what we have here. All right. All right. Here, take one.
These look healthy.
He said, ugh. These look healthy. Holy moly. Okay.
What the heck is...
Look, this is what they look like. They look like little rice cakes. See that?
It looks like an overgrown cornflake.
All right. Well, cheers. Oh. It's not bad. Back in the 90s, I was really into rice cakes. Rice cakes was like the... Oh,
I need another taste. Okay,
rice cakes were the thing. They were the bomb back in the 90s. You know, you take rice cakes of all different sizes and shapes, and they had caramel corn rice cakes. They had with salt, without salt, brown rice, white rice.
And like you won't be seeing these for the rest of the episode.
You know you're off camera now. No one can see you.
I know.
These
are delicious.
Okay. As far as salt is concerned, I don't taste much salt. I mean, I taste a hint of it. Pepper, I don't taste pepper. It just tastes like a rice cake. And back in the 90s, I was really into rice cakes. Here we are in the 2000s. This one here, he's really into rice cakes. So on a scale of 1 to 4, 4 meaning I will buy it again for my personal consumption. 1 means I'm going to take a hard pass on it. Personally, I will give this a 1.
What? No! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Oh my gosh! These are delicious!
I am over rice cakes. Serious. If I'm going to spend money, I would like to have something that has some flavor. If this really doesn't have to me flavor already.
Split peas.
And you don't even like peas, so this is interesting. So, what would you give it?
I'd give it a 4.
From the rice cake lover. Yeah. So, there you have it. I mean, they're not bad. I just, if I'm in Trader Joe's and I'm looking for a chip snack, I don't think I will be picking these up. I'll pick up chips. I would. These taste like I need to dip them in hummus. Okay, for me, this tastes like something that needs something else. Okay, so you're looking at 120 calories, right? Is that what I said? 120 calories?
Yeah.
For 24 of these. With it, I need to have some kind of salsa, yeah, a hummus. Actually, this begs to be dipped in hummus. That's what it tastes like. So, what do you think?
I'd give it a 4.
Yeah, to give it a 4. So, good thing you have an allowance so you can buy this.
These are pretty delicious.
All right, well, there
I
you
might
go.
just steal your credit card to buy all of them out of the store.
What? No. Anyway, there you have it. And like I said, we've been into this Trader Joe's loop. I promise one of these days we'll get something from another kind of store. But until then, we hope you have a good one. So until next time.